Welcome to my channel. I'm taking you along to the African swimming pool, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Pussy grass in the ocean. We are at Tiwi Beach, you see, mixed with the seagull, yeah. And me myself, I'm here. I'm enjoying everything about this beach, the seagull, whatever, everything.
But so much papas,
Mama.
no mamas.
Us, yeah, always. That the water is very clear. This is why I'm saying that this beach is very clean, very clear. And then you see the plants are just chilling, enjoying their moment, and the water is just so with some rocks and some creatures they're swimming. You can see some movement of creatures. That is beautiful. I think it's beautiful, really, so beautiful. It's a nice.
So this is the things when we feed the fish.
Yeah.
When
Oh,
we
it's
throw this, all the fish come outside. So people when they enjoy snorkeling, I really love them.
wow.
So Kenya supposed to be there. Somalia,
The African swimming pool at the beach in Tiwi.
yeah.
Mm.
There is a tunnel when you are a good swimmer. There is a tunnel
Yeah.
to Madagascar.
Wow.
Just come
It's a big swimming pool of Africa, showing Africans. You see? There they are. Bringing closer the camera, you can see.
It's a little more bigger, né?
It's so. This is so beautiful. Come on, dear. The plant is. Swim. This is what you do. You just bend somewhere and do the African bar. That is just a swimming. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing.
Ruka, oya! Ruka!